Hey there, this is David Poulsen coming to you live here in San Francisco's Anza Vista neighborhood. And I'm going to show you what I think the deal of the week is. This is a beautiful one bedroom that you can get under $800,000 here in Anza District in San Francisco. But before we get into the video, if you can do me a favor of smashing the like button, and if you can hit the subscribe button, I'll show you more properties here in San Francisco and give you tips, insider tips on San Francisco real estate. I look forward to you watching these videos and commenting on them, but let's get into the video. So this is a one bedroom with a beautiful deck. I'm going to show you the beautiful deck. And like I said, great location. In fact, if you have a Tesla, there's a Tesla supercharger close by. Also, the hospital, Kaiser is over here. I was actually born in that hospital. Let's take a look at this beautiful place. Okay, so let's take a look. So you can see here when you walk in, you've got a, and what I like are these are the old floors, and they're probably covered by carpet. And you'll find that a lot in San Francisco. And you can pull up the carpets, refinish the floors, and you can see these are very beautiful. Look at that big open deck that you got, but we'll go back out there in a sec. You see, dining room just off of the kitchen, and again, more closet space. Good sized kitchen. And then this is the old-time ironing board. You'll see that in a lot of places here. And I like a lot of homes in San Francisco have the skylights in the bathrooms and also in the kitchens. Then again, you have another nice closet. And then you come into a well-lit, nice bedroom. And let's see. Oh, look at that. And actually, that's for San Francisco, that's a very big, nice closet. And now let's go check out the Showpiece, the big view deck. So you're looking back up into pack heights and lower pack heights. You see there. And then if I look this way, you can see there's downtown. So this is kind of pretty up here. Fog came in today, so it's a little bit cooler. But this is really beautiful. Nice big place to entertain here. So again, we've got the living room here. That was the entrance door over there. Dining room. Kitchen. Bathroom. And bedroom. And then that beautiful deck. All this for under $800,000 here in San Francisco. I think that's the deal of the week. So I like this one. Give me a call if you do too. Also, hey, it's David Poulsen, your favorite realtor here in San Francisco. Do me a favor, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll show you more beautiful properties like this here in the city of San Francisco. And insider tips too. All right, everyone, take care. It's David Poulsen, live here in Anza Vista in San Francisco. Bye-bye.